Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the passcode in this device. So in this device I already set one passcode, you can see. So let me show you how to change the passcode. For this, simply go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. Tap on this one. Enter the current passcode. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see two options, turn passcode off and change passcode. From here you need to select the option change passcode. So here we need to enter our current passcode. So here we have to enter our new passcode. This is for a 6-digit passcode. If you want to change, then select the option passcode options. And from the list of options you can select any one from here. So here I am going to select the option 4-digit numeric code. So here we need to enter the passcode. Okay, then confirm the passcode. Yeah, we change the passcode. Let me check the passcode. Lock the device, try to unlock. So here I am going to enter the new passcode. You can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can change the passcode in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.